Amazon Q Developer now supports MCP tools in your IDE. Here's how to configure them through a simple form interface instead of digging in to edit JSON files. So in VS Code, I have the docs open for the MCP I'm going to set up. Here's the JSON file you'd normally use to configure, and here's the overall structure for what these files normally look like. Instead of using this, I'm going to head on over to Amazon Q Developer and then click the MCP button and add a new MCP. Now I'm setting the name, transport, command, argument, and environment variables. After I click Save, it now shows me the 3 capabilities for this diagram MCP: generate diagrams, get examples, and list icons. This pane is where we can set permissions, and I'll just leave them all as ask for now. From here, let's test it out with a quick example from the docs. There you go. We now have a nice AWS diagram showing an API gateway, Lambda, and DynamoDB flow. Now let's have some fun. I'm now giving Amazon Q Developer a sequence of emojis and asking it to make a technically accurate AWS architecture diagram for the process. It does this perfectly too. If you want to get richer contextual development workflows in your IDE, install or update your Amazon Q Developer extension in VS Code or JetBrains today.